Okay there, YouTubers. BMW guy here. It is March 3rd, and March 3rd, 2026. And motorcycle has been laid up in the garage since, I don't know, mid-November. So almost 5 months. So it's going to be a short video on cold startup. I did nothing to the motorcycle. I don't use chemicals in the tank or stable or anything like that. All I do is just top it up with high test and put it on the center stand, as you can see, and put it away. I do have the battery tender on it, and I'll show you that here. This is Noco Genius, 5 amp, I believe, yeah. And boy, it does a great job. It really does do a great job. So I'm going to pause this video, and then all I'm going to do is disconnect the charger, and then we'll fire it up. All right, so we have disconnected the battery charger. I feel confident that the battery is going to be okay. Well, that's a good sign. We'll wait until the neutral light comes on, and there it is. 20,430 miles on a 2019. Okay, so here we go. We'll fire it up and see what happens. Burn like a kitten. Okay, well, there you have it. I am going to do a quick walk around here, make sure all the lights work. We're kind of getting ready for the riding season, so headlights work, side markers work. The Darlers, Clearwater Darlers are working on both sides. Yeah. Will the side marker work? Well, I can't really get to it. So let's see. That's all working. That's working. Horn works. That's a good sign. Okay. A shitty video, I know, but well, what are you going to do? I'm a better motorcycle rider than I am a cinematographer. Okay, so that's all working. Let's see if the brake lights work. Yep, brake lights work. So other than checking the tire pressure and check the oil here in a minute, I'd say we're good to go for the season. Have fun, ride safe.